Hello, this is Javier Mota. I'm here in my backyard, and as you know, pressure cleaning is one of my favorite hobbies when I'm home because it gives you an immediate level of satisfaction. For example, here the whole deck around the pool. Actually, my next project is cleaning up this roof that needs a lot of cleaning and painting. And I have had this Honda GCV 190 that has served its purpose for more than 10 years. As you can see, it's very rusted here. It still works. As you can see, I can start it, but it's obviously gas engine. Here it is. You have to worry about filling it up all the time. And as much as I love this for all this time, it's time to retire it. So here for the next thing. So one of my New Year's resolutions is to do the transition from gas to electricity, and for that I've got this replacement for the pressure cleaning machine from VEVOR. Tough tools, half the price. Here are the specs. This is the model HWT23B, 120 volts, 1900 watts of power, 1600 PSI rated pressure. The maximum is 2300. It can work to 40 degrees Celsius, that's over 100 Fahrenheit. It's pretty compact, only 9 kilos. So let's see what we got here. Some instructions, some accessories. It has wheels, obviously, as you can see here. All the valves. It must be a rack for hanging the hose. We'll go through all of that. So here it is, very compact, very light. As you can see, I can lift it with no problem. I'm gonna attach the wheels, the hose, the water from the house, and plug it in and start working. Let's go. So as you saw, the installation of the assembly is really easy. Just these attachments for the hose, for the wire. This is where the garden hose goes. And here in the back, it's where the hose for the, where you attach the machine hose. So here it is. It comes with 4 different attachments, and these go here in the tip. Just pull down. Make sure that they are attached correctly, and these are different ways to spray the water. So we're gonna try once we turn it on. How are they? But this is pretty neat. They go in there. Tip of the hose goes here. It's a really good design. It also has this handle to pull it when you're working. You can also use this detergent bottle to prepare whatever you're gonna be cleaning. This is useful, for example, for cars. So you fill it up with detergent and then you clean whatever you're gonna be doing, and then you reattach the hose. It's very simple. You turn it and then it's attached, and then you put whichever grade of spraying you want and you're ready to go. So let's try. So here we go. And this is why I call pressure cleaning the most satisfying job on earth. See a little bit of this. And this was the before, and this is the after. Amazing. So now I'm gonna switch from the high pressure hose to this attachment, reconnect the water, turn it on, and now we have a high pressure foam dispenser plus high pressure washing machine for the car. So this is the other use for this amazing little machine. And since I get a new car every week, 2 cars every week, this is gonna be my best new friend. So here it is. As a comparison, you can see the size. The VEVOR is really small, but just as powerful as this Honda. And we'll never have to do this again. Fill up the gas tank. We're going electric. Here's, turn it on. So there you go. VEVOR pressure cleaning machine did all the work. This set of thick outside furniture, it's about 20 years old, and it looked like 30 years old. And now it looks new again, and it was an easy job with this amazing machine. Pressure cleaning is really addictive, I think. Tomorrow I'll finish the ceiling here, and maybe I'll do another car.